So the local crisis line shot up nearly 5 times right after Thanksgiving. And now we're learning more about what the coroner is calling an unprecedented amount of overdose deaths in Jefferson County. The Night Team's Tyler Emery explains the impact this year has had on addiction.
From 40211 to 40299.
They're in every zip code.
Found in homeless camps, alleyways, and in homes.
Early mid-teens to senior citizens were having.
Overdose deaths are happening everywhere within the county at an unprecedented rate this year.
Some days we may have 6 or 7, and then we may skip a day or 2, but it averages over the year probably about 1.8 per day.
Chief Deputy of Investigation for the Jefferson County Coroner's Office says there's already been nearly 500 confirmed overdose deaths. And by the end of the year, they expect that number to be over 600.
I'm not surprised.
Mirroring what the Coroner's Office is seeing, Carson Economy with 7 county services says calls to their crisis line have drastically spiked.
We're averaging about 250 calls a day. Following the Thanksgiving weekend, that increased to about 1,200.
The increase in overdose deaths is the highest in 5 years. Jefferson County reported 218 deaths in 2015, a trend the coroner's office is seeing recently. What's in the drugs users are overdosing on.
The vast majority of times it's so much fentanyl in it.
Over 70% of the deaths, Russ says, and this year 7 county services also points to the pandemic.
There's a discrepancy between what keeps us safe during the pandemic and what we know is effective for individuals in recovery.
Despite the ways coronavirus has changed addiction recovery programs, 7 counties urges anyone struggling to reach out for resources. For the Night Team, Tyler Emery.